Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to read one very interesting story, A Peep at Toilet. What do you mean by peep? Peep means a brief look. In this story, there are three main characters. One is Uncle Fred, and one girl is Alice, and her brother's name is Bobby. Let's begin with this story. One morning at breakfast, Uncle Fred said, "Well, children, who would like to visit Toyland with me today? Please, I would like to go," cried Alice, clapping her hands. "There is no such place as Toyland except in fairy stories," said Bobby, her brother. So, this discussion, as you can see in this picture, this discussion was going on in the morning time with Uncle Fred. Uncle Fred was discussing with the students. He asked them, "Who wants to visit the Toyland with me?" So Alice was very happy. Alice is a girl and she was very happy. She said, yes, I would like to go with you. But Bobby said, her brother Bobby said, "No, there is no such place as Toyland except in fairy stories." Means in the stories only we can see Toyland. "Well, we shall see," said Uncle. "Put on your coats and come with me." So Uncle Fred said to Bobby, "We will see it. Let's see. You just put on your coats. You just dress up yourself and come with me." So Uncle drove them in his car through the busy streets. At last, they came to a big gate. Now they both started their journey. They both just get into his car. Whose car? Uncle Fred's car. So they both get into Uncle Fred's car and Uncle Fred drove them through the busy streets of the city. And finally he halted the car at the big gate. "Jump out. Here is a Toyland," said Uncle. "You see, it is not a fairy Toyland, but a place where real toys are made. Let us go in." Now with these lines, it is clear to us that Uncle Fred was really talking about some Toyland which really exists. As Bobby was telling that there is no Toyland, but in reality, there was a Toyland. Which Toyland he is talking about? He is talking about a Toyland where real toys are made, a small manufacturing unit where toys are made. So Uncle Fred has brought them to the manufacturing unit where toys for kids are made. So, "Oh, Bobby, look at those rolls of cloth," cried Alice. "Why, there must be hundreds of them." "What pretty colors, too," said Bobby. "I wonder what all that cloth is for." So, when they went inside this Toyland, Alice said, "Oh, Bobby, look at these rolls of cloth." As you can see in the picture, there are many rolls of cloth lying on this in this cupboard. So she pointed toward these clothes, roll of cloth. So Bobby said, "Yeah, there are so many, and the colors are very good." "We shall see in a moment," said Uncle. In the next room, they saw a girl who was cutting hundreds of patterns with a pair of sharp scissors. So, what they saw in another room, they saw a girl who is cutting these clothes with the in different patterns, means in hundreds of patterns, mean in different designs. She is cutting these clothes in different designs with a pair of sharp scissors. "I'm sure I would cut my fingers if I were to cut so quickly," said Alice. In these lines, Alice is actually appreciating the work done by this girl. What she's saying? She's saying, if I'm supposed to do this work of cutting the cloth, I would have cut my fingers. What are they making, uncle? Asked Bobby. Bobby asked to his uncle what they are making. They are making toy rabbits, I think, said Uncle Fred. I don't think the patterns are much like rabbits, said Bobby. But Bobby said, but it doesn't look like rabbit. Not yet, perhaps, said Uncle as they walked on. But see, here are girls sewing the pieces together. Look, that girl has just stitched a rabbit skin together. So Uncle Fred said that these girls are sewing these pieces of cloth together, and then you can see which animal they are making, which soft toy they are making. In the next room, girls were filling the empty rabbits with soft stuff which looked something like cotton wool. So they were actually visiting this whole workshop, this whole manufacturing unit. So they saw in the next section, in the next room, what they saw? They saw girls. Many girls were filling the empty rabbits, means the rabbits which are now made up of clothes. So these clothes made rabbit. As you know, you have seen your soft toys also. Inside your soft toy, what we have? We have cotton wool. So these girls were actually making the soft toy, and this soft toy was a rabbit. And they saw that these girls are stuffing it. They are stuffing inside this rabbit with cotton wool. These are more like rabbits now, said Bobby. They will be still more like rabbits when other girls sew on their ears and tails and whiskers, said Uncle Fred. So Bobby said, yes, now I can see they are looking like rabbit. Now I can see that they are looking like rabbit. So Uncle Fred said, yes, they will now look more like a rabbit when girls will sew. When girls will sew on their ears. When girls will join their ears also and tails also and whiskers also. So what do you mean by whiskers? Whiskers means beard. Beard, you know. So then eyes will be stuck in and the rabbits will be given nice squeaky voices. And finally the eyes will be stuck in, means eyes will be put on these rabbits, and they will be given nice squeaky voice. Nice squeaky voice means, squeaky means high pitched sound. So these rabbits will be given something like that. They will start giving sound, they will start speaking. Oh, look, cried Alice. Here is a lovely toy elephant, all finished, with his coat well brushed. Why, he's just like a Jumbo you once gave me for Christmas, Uncle Fred. So Alice was just looking here and there, and she saw one lovely toy elephant. That was a complete piece. All work was done on that piece of toy, and she said, he just looks like Jumbo. Who is Jumbo? Jumbo was another toy elephant given by Uncle Fred to Alice on Christmas. Next door, they came to the rooms where dolls were, turn to next page, made. So when they visited the next room, they saw that in that room dolls were made. They saw hundreds of dolls lying on the tables there. So in that room, there were many dolls lying on the tables. Alice stopped to look at the girls who were making dolls' clothes. Some were making shoes and socks, others were making dainty dresses and hats from cloth of pretty patterns and colors. So in this room, in this section, there were many girls who were making dolls' clothes. So dolls' clothes were, they were making very dainty dresses. Dainty means very small, very soft, small, pretty. Such dresses they were making, and hats, and they were also making hats and of very different patterns, very different patterns and color, different designs and colors. Oh, look, Alice, cried Bobby. These are dolls having their faces painted. It looks like easy work. I'm sure that I could paint the face of your big doll at home. Now Bobby pointed towards the dolls, uh, some of the dolls which were lying in that room, and he saw that uh, the girls who were working there, they were painting the faces of these dolls. And he said, it looks really easy, that painting the face of the doll really looks easy work, but I'm sure that I could maybe ये कर सकता हूँ. I can also do this work. I can also paint the face of your big doll at home. Indeed, you will do no such things, cried Alice. I shall hide her from you. But Alice said, always there is always very on tiny things we fight sometimes with our brother and sisters also, on very little things. And in the same way, Alice said, no, I will not give you my doll to you, but I will hide my doll from you. So, come now, said Uncle, it is time to go home. As they went towards the door, they passed piles and piles of boxes. Now, Uncle said, let's go back to home. When they were just returning, and they saw there were piles of boxes, means heaps of boxes. One box is lying over the other. In each box, Uncle said, was a toy neatly packed and ready for selling to some lucky girl and boy. So Uncle said that these boxes contain the toys which are packed neatly for selling in the market to lucky girl and boy, or perhaps to Santa Claus, said Bobby. And Bobby said, maybe these are for the Santa Claus. That's all the story. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you and have a nice day.